Okay, so here's an example of what I think is the circle dance on Roomba Discovery. And but it doesn't have a speaker, just so don't freak out. And the status light came up, which is something I've been seeing often on here, and it shows pink on here, but actually it is orange. So, and the bottom looks like this. Just in case this is something about it too. So, if anybody knows what this is, and if it is not the circle dance, please give me a message on Instagram. Well, not maybe Instagram, yeah, at Dawson Ketchum, or send me a message on Facebook Messenger, or really anything, just or Steam, and then I'll probably get that too. So, and the Steam name, same as in all my other YouTube videos. Bye.